Hi everyone, my name's Donkey, and today we're back reviewing another game. Today we're reviewing a game called Untitled, which is a bit weird. It kind of contradicts itself. And yeah, hi, this is my new project, which has no name. It's important to note that it has no name. If you hadn't took all the other hints along the way. Anyway, I made it as a bit of a palette cleanser whilst I work on my main projects. You are a mutant, and the aim of the game is to escape the laboratory where you were created. The demo contains 2 levels. The objective is to kill all enemies in the levels. It's rather complicated theme there. Where you have 3 powers: teleport, shield, and telekinesis, which is something that you don't often see, you know. But yeah, we've got telekinesis in there as well. And then I love this bit. He just goes, "Your weapon is a spear." Spear is capitalised for whatever reason, and it's just, yeah, your weapon is a spear. You know, you're not going to question it, which is fine. Okay, my weapon is a spear, maybe then. And yeah, that's basically it. It's kind of short but sweet. I think that just about sums it up, how short and to the point it is, which is sometimes good, to be fair. What concerns me with this page is it all seems rather nice, rather neat, great. Why have you made a banner saying Untitled instead of maybe putting the time in to think of a name? I don't know. I'm not entirely sure why the time's been spent making the banner, but yeah, whatever. Which one of these is that one? Anyway, what I found first off was something personally I don't really like. Is the game's called demo.exe, and look, these are all the past ones I've had, you know: Village Monsters, Trail Leader, Through the Void, Temporal, Spatial Fight 3. They're all got names to them. And then occasionally you get games that are just called this, like demo.exe. And imagine I'm running this on my normal computer. It's not in my Game Maker files folder. I'm going to come along and think, what on earth is demo.exe? It could literally be anything. There's a few other examples in here as well that have kind of not great names, like platformer.exe. It's a bit vague. Project 8. Yeah, I don't have a clue what Project 8 is. And also there's a question mark, which is even better, because it's almost like this might be the demo you're looking for, and you know, which is how I feel when I'm clicking on it. You also get this demonic thing pop up. It all kind of screams like virus at me initially. One thing, this is totally not your fault, but when I opened it initially, it came up like this, and I was clicking on all these things furiously, trying to get something to happen, and then I realised that the OK button's down there. So that was just a little funny story I thought I'd share. But anyway, you open up. Title Sprite. Oh god. I don't know if this is intentional or not. If it is, I guess you could see it as funny. You know, the constant thing. Untitled Project Version 1, the title sprite. Great, hilarious. If it's not funny, then it's just ridiculous, truly. Don't know if this is actually playing. I've got my volume off. Sound music, I don't know. Whatever. Display. Okay, try and click on the display settings here. Are you sure? I am sure. Okay. What if I'm not sure? No, I'm not sure. I mean, it just goes back. Okay. Just the quit button work. Are you sure? I'm not going to do it. If he's gone in to put that in, it probably does work. Anyway, let's actually play the game. Let's stop criticising everything else. That's not what I'm here to do. Oh, kill all enemies. I like that. That was nice. Right, who am I? Oh, I'm here. Okay, I walk very slowly. Oh, this is my spear, I guess. Oh, okay. How do I... Oh, Jesus. Okay, right, I understand that this is... Oh, that kind of now goes on the screen. press X to try again. That's slightly odd. Alright, so I kind of understand the fact that this is a tutorial level. This is meant to be easy, but oh, okay, right. Personally, at the moment, I'm finding it kind of difficult, especially just that first time, because I've never played it before, obviously, and it was a little bit. Okay, there we go. That's pretty nice. I like that. I don't like the big E red dot though. Right. Okay. You win. Press X to try again, or go to next level. That almost makes it sound like if you press X, it'll do one of the two. It'll either try again or go to the next level. Ah, yeah, I win. Woohoo. Okay, right. Watch out for what? I don't know what that said. I like that. It kind of reminds me of like Super Hot, where it goes super hot at the end. That's kind of nice. I like that. Right. I feel like I'm moving like a snail at this point. I'm just going way too slow. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm going super slow here. You what? Ah. Right, okay, I swear that was on him, but what? I win? Do I? I thought it blew up, but okay. Apparently I've won. I'm slightly alarmed now because, oh, watch out for, I still don't know what that says. But yeah, it says you got 2 levels, so basically when it says try again, I'm just doing the same level again, but it looks like it's slightly more zoomed out this time. Even though it said I won. Which I don't know if it's intentional or not. Also, this seems way too big. How do I teleport then? Oh. Oh, okay. Alright, I like this. The powers and everything are pretty cool. So I can go bam, bam, boom. Right, I've got the hang of this then. I think I've got to pick up the spear. That's why. Alright, so I only have 1 spear, but if I miss the spear then I don't have to pick it up. It just magically comes back to me. Okay, there we go. Fair enough. What does telekinesis do? Oh. What happens if I punch them? Oh, okay. Wow. It's pretty cool. I like the powers. That's kind of different. I do feel like we're oh, what? I feel like we're incredibly slow though. Also, I feel the cooldowns on these abilities are a bit short to the point where I can just. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh god. Oh right, I've really confused it now. What if we go teleports like there? Alright, he's not looking at it. Oh. Yeah, I feel like the hitboxes are slightly weird. Wait, did we win? Oh, we won. Are we doing the same level again? I don't know. I'm very confused. Watch out for... I still don't know what that says. I think that's to do with the orientation screen. Also, I'd just like to point out the controls that I personally think aren't great. Well, you could obviously add a controls option instead that would just like fix this, but the whole F1 thing doesn't really seem to work for me. Well, okay. Apparently I didn't do that. But apparently I still win. Just brilliant. In fact, is there any eventuality where I don't win? I mean, that's probably something we need to check. Watch out for hunters. Maybe it says hunters. I don't know. Right. Yeah, I feel like the F1 doesn't really work. Personally, I prefer like using the arrow keys and stuff. That's my preference. Or like E and Q would work on R maybe. EQR, because they're around WSD. Oh, I still win. Okay, so there is effectively no way when I don't win in this level. I think it might be just because there's only 2 levels, so it kind of gets a bit stuck. The thing that I get slightly annoyed about was that your bit here looked so much cooler than mine. I felt incredibly slow and yeah, not great. I think personally, I think that's because the levels weren't tricky enough for it to be like, for it to warrant me doing all the technical stuff. Like, I could just run around and just throw my spear. But yeah, actually I really enjoyed it. I thought, originally looking at it, I thought, right, Untitled, we've got this thing, it's not going to be great, is what I thought. I thought, you know what, I'll play it, I'll see how it goes. But actually it's come out quite well. I can see how it could definitely progress into a game which needs a lot of skill from this, and the things are actually really cool, the powers. Possibly a rework on the controls though, because for me, I don't know about anyone else, but from W, which is the closest to the F keys, there's about an inch in between. That's quite a long way for my fingers to reach, especially when sat on WSD and actually sit on like shift and space. But yeah, that was my review of an Untitled Mutant game. I won't call it a mutant game, but whatever. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, what you guys want to do, and I'll talk to you in the next one.